shit, man.
What the fuck is that, boy? That shit
What you get?
whacked out. Holy shit, man.
Nice one. Thanks very much.
That's fucked up, isn't it?
There he is.
What the fuck is that?
Nice bit of footage for Jay, that's where it is. Nice one. Look at that. And it's not as if it's smaller and it's
The thing's
fucking
getting
big.
bigger of that.
Yeah.
Boys, that is fucking whacked out to death.
Jeez, we haven't seen that in a while.
Only in Ireland.
Ah, that's it. Look at that, that is cool.
That is fucking deadly, boys. Look at the way it's going on.
What was that?
Look at the way it's going on. What the f...
It's a big meteor going to kill us all. Look at that shit, man.
Look at the size of that even from...
Oh yeah, come
Well-
here, yeah, holy shit, boys, that thing is fucking huge. That's a big mothership, man. Carrying about 9 million greys from the Antarctica. How do you know?
Yeah, well, they all mean money.
Look at the thing, look how far it's at the moon, boys.
That's shit hot, man.
That is fucking messed up, boys. Oh my god.
Hello. Allow me to introduce myself.
It's coming this way.
It's not, it's going over.
You sure? It looks like it's headed this way. Get a lift, huh?
Yeah.
It is coming this way. Look where.
What is that, boys?